take a drive and enjoy those amazing fireworks.
Hey y'all, I'm Alicia if you're new here, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're not new. I know that I've already been sharing a lot. I thought that I would switch up this vlog a little bit, but do y'all know how I said that 2025 was gonna be my year? It is already starting off amazing because I'm at the beach. I got to go to the beach ball drop at Pier Park in Panama City Beach, and I was so excited. So right now I'm headed down to the beach. Had to go get my beach chair. It's a little cool, but I don't care. It is sunny and beautiful, and I'm just so happy and so excited. So let's go to the beach. Made it down to the beach. Hopefully y'all can hear me because of the waves. I should have brought my microphone down here, but I didn't really think about it. It is a little chilly, but it is beautiful. The sun is out, and nothing is going to keep me from the beach when I'm at the beach. So I have planned on doing an intro before we got here, but I just never did. And then it was dark when we got here, and we went straight to eat. We ate at Pineapple Willie's, and then came to the hotel, unloaded everything. So we went down there about 11. As you could see, it was very crowded, and watched the beach ball drop. And I can't believe I didn't share like my full outfit, but I did take a picture. So I will insert it because I want to dress up for New Year's Eve. I couldn't tell you the last time we went somewhere and did something, so I was very excited and got so many compliments. I was definitely overdressed, but that was fine. I'm used to that. But I will insert a picture here so y'all can see it because it's really cute. I got some Target, and we were standing at the gate, like behind the mall drop. And this guy gave us 2 of his passes for the VIP passes, and we had actually already turned them down once because we thought that you had to get in like the pit where everybody was, which it was right there in front of the stage, so it wasn't as crowded as like the other. But we were like, no, we're good. That's why we're over here, like away from the crowd. And he's like, oh, you don't have to go in the pit. And we're like, okay. So we got the VIP passes, and we got to go inside where it wasn't that crowded. But then we ended up having to move around before we could see the ball because where the stage was. And what's funny is all the VIP people they were leaving the VIP section so they could see the ball too because they were too close to the stage and couldn't see it. And I kind of wish that we would have been there for the kids' ball drop because they actually did 2. One for the kids at 8 o'clock and then one for the adults and everybody else at midnight. For the kid one, they had a bunch of beach balls that fell down. They had confetti. We didn't do any of that for the adult one. So I kind of wish we would have went to that one, but to both. So went to the kids one, went and ate, and then come back. But I'm just so happy to be here, and I can't believe that I'm starting 2025 out at the beach. Y'all don't know how happy I am. I told y'all, 2025 is going to be a great year. Okay, we are leaving today, and I'm so sad. So I'm on the beach, about to go for one last run. I ran yesterday 2 miles. I'm gonna do 2 miles again. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see, but right there are the Margaritaville beach cottages. I should have talked when I was going that way because the sun was actually on my face and I could hear you better, but I think y'all can see me okay, and hopefully you can hear me because of the waves. I meant to check and see if y'all could hear me when I filmed yesterday by the water, because if not, then y'all didn't hear a thing I said. But we are about to head back once I get back and get a shower and stuff. But I'm actually not really that sweaty because it's a little chilly this morning. I think it's in the 50s, which is crazy because if I was at home and it was in the 50s, I would not be in a tank top. But I'm very sad to be going home, but this was an amazing start to 2025, and I'm so happy that I got to come for 2 nights, but 1 full day because we didn't get here until like 7, went 8, and then the fireworks and the ball drop and all that. But I got a full day at the beach yesterday. It was amazing. But there's about to be a winter storm at home, so I definitely don't want to go back to that. But I do have to go back because I have to work tomorrow. And I still can't believe that I didn't show y'all my New Year's Eve outfit. I was going to try and do better about sharing my outfits on my vlogs. And look, filming my first vlog of the year. I already forgot. But I got a late start on my run. Shocking, I know. So I'm going to finish my run and then go get ready to head home. Ugh. Hello. So we made it back home from Florida. I always want to say when I'm in Florida, but especially this time because we are gonna get like a winter storm or something next week, and I'm dreading it. I was really hoping that we would have like a mild winter because it was 60 degrees last weekend, but Tennessee was like, nope, just kidding. Here's your winter. But I can't remember if I've said or not on this video, but I have decided that I'm going to do weekly vlogs this year. I'm gonna do a main video on Wednesday, so that's gonna be a makeup video, some sort of fashion styling video, something like that, like a curated video, I guess you could say. And then so that's gonna be on Wednesday, and then on Fridays I'm gonna do a weekly vlog since I love vlogs so much and I love Vlogmas, but I do not want to do daily vlogs. So I will do a weekly one on Fridays that will just kind of be a collection of my week. So kind of like Vlogmas style where I share my day with y'all, but just one video. But I was gonna post my part 2 of the Margaritaville Beach Cottage Resort vlog for this week, but since I actually did something on New Year's Eve and actually went somewhere and did something, I wanted to post this one this week since it's still New Year's Eve week. But since it's still like a random vlog, I had quite a few packages waiting on me when I got home. So I thought that I would do an unboxing really quick because I honestly don't know how much I actually did film in Florida. But I want to show what I am most excited for first. I don't know if y'all, oh, there's Daisy. I'm in her spot. That's her princess pillow. But if y'all watched Vlogmas last year and probably the year before, anytime I sat here, because I love sitting here with the tree in the background, but anytime I sat here, she had to get my lap because I'm telling y'all, she loves to be on camera. Also, next week, which y'all probably won't see for 2 weeks, I need to get my nails done. They look pretty rough, which actually from far off, they don't look bad because the base color is so light, so there's not a huge contrast with my cuticles, but they're starting to get long, and that's usually when I start breaking them. Obsessed. Look at it. It is the Valentine's Day cup. Y'all, I was ready this time because I missed the Glinda one when it first came out at Target. It was in my cart at like 2 a.m. and it sold out while I was checking out. I was not missing this Valentine one, but I actually think that it's still in stock. Actually, let me look. Okay, so the red one surprisingly is sold out, and then it says that there's only one left of the pink one. But I'm gonna still link it down below in the description box because if it does sell out, you can put your email and then make sure your notifications are turned on, because that's how I ended up getting the Glinda, because as soon as I got that notification that it was back in stock, I ordered it immediately. But how boring is that clear straw? Good thing I got the pack of pink straws, so I will be switching that out. Okay, and the rest is actually from Amazon. I definitely needed this. It is more brush cleaner. For my makeup kit, I use the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner, but I usually only use this at the end of the day because I feel like it's not quick drying in the sense where I can dry it and then use it immediately. It's still a little bit damp, so I will use this at the end of the day. And then I will either use the It Cosmetics Brush Bath to spray in between. Perry & Spirits. I really love that one, but it's kind of a lot for not a very big bottle. Like this was, I think, $24 for this size, and I think it's the same price for a smaller bottle of the Perry & Spirits, but I really do love that one. But I haven't got this lemon scent, so I thought that I would try that out because I am about out of my big bottle. Okay, now this I am very excited about, and you know you're getting old when you get excited about organizational things. So I got these for our shower because our shower is not very big, and right now we just have one of those that hangs over the shower head, but then we have to kind of tilt the shower head up so it doesn't hit on that and like spray everywhere. So I got these to put in the corner so we can take that down. But it comes with 2 big ones, and then it comes with a smaller one for the soap. So yeah, I'm actually really excited about that. I already forgot about these 2. More organizational things. At first I was like, so I ordered more pillowcases, some more of those light pink ones, because I want to have all my pillowcases that light pink color. And so at first I thought I saw this and thought that they sent me the wrong color, and that's why if you saw my face, I was about to be upset. But I forgot that I ordered these. So I have a ton of Halloween wigs where I do the Halloween makeup, my 13 days of Halloween, which has not been 13 days in a while. I need to actually add that to my vision board, put something Halloween-y up there to make myself plan and prep and film ahead for 13 days of Halloween and do 13 days. But anyways, I have a ton of Halloween wigs, but I have nowhere to put them. So I got these little wig bags, more organizational things. So I already ordered these once, and I hang my skirts on them because I have a bunch of skirts and skirts and I don't really have any place to put them. So I got 2 more to hang more skirts. 2 packs of, I think 2 packs of 2 pillowcases. So I got 4 pillowcases and I about hit myself in the face. Did y'all see that? Now I can have all of the pillows that we have accumulated on the bed in pink pillowcases. So that's the color pink I was wanting for the curtains, and I think I've decided that I'm just gonna do gray curtains because I was kind of thinking about it and I don't know that I would like pink curtains. So I think I'm just gonna do gray, that way it doesn't take away from the room or anything, and then still paint my dressers like a pale pink. And then I also got a new comforter, which I am not gonna get out yet, but it is just a white one. So the comforter we currently have, we have had for 7 years. It was a wedding present and I have tried bleaching it, washing it over and over, and it's still just like dingy looking because it's white from these little hooligans. So naturally I got another white bedspread, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog because I feel like my little unboxing was longer than I anticipated. Yeah, I'm very, very excited about my weekly vlogs for 2025. I hope y'all are excited about it too. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, and then that way you'll be notified whenever I do post a new video, which will be 2 a week, and I have some really fun ones planned that you don't want to miss. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.